Hello guys, today we're gonna check the 3 eggs on the nest. See what happened, if she already hatched or not. Let's check it out guys. Oh yeah, she hatched them all 3 eggs, and they like healthy birds. There are gonna be 3 cardinals very soon. My husband said don't touch it, because if you do touch it, the mom is gonna abandon them. So I'm not gonna touch it guys. I'm just taking a video and that's it. They are so hungry, their mouth is wide open. They think I'm their mama bird. Alright guys, let's check pick some blackberry. Here there is a blackberry ripe in here. The red one isn't ripe yet, so you have to look for the black color berries. So the is huge and they are so sweet. I think I'm gonna make a blackberry pie. Yummy. I fixed some already, but I'm curious about those eggs, and it's kind of hot. It's like 105 degrees today in Tennessee. We're in the West Tennessee. They are good berries this year, but it's not a lot of ripe yet, because lots of birds eat them, and our dogs eat it, and the cows sometimes they eat it. Well, anyways, my grapes this year is a lot also. See, ayan. This is Concord grapes. They are full of grapes this year. Okay.